Hello everyone, today let's solve the minimum interval coverage problem. This problem is related to many practical applications, such as radar installation, water taps, video stitching, and etc. As usual, we first do an observation. For example, we have a list of the interval like this. Let's draw those intervals on the whiteboard and mark the endpoint of each interval with two different colors. We also label the interval by their endpoint in a non-decreasing order. Now we can find the following pattern for any adjacent interval. The first observation: one interval is inside the other interval, like this interval 1 and interval 2. The second observation: the two adjacent intervals are partially overlapping, like intervals 2 and 3, interval 3 and 4. The third observation: two adjacent intervals have no overlapping area, like interval 5 and 6. Now we are ready to see the code. In this code, first we do the sanity check on the input list. If the list is not empty and has more than one interval, we sort the list according to its interval endpoint. After sorting, we initialize the temp interval and the number of the selected intervals. Then we check the sorted list for the three scenarios. No overlapping, return -1. Partially overlapping, update the endpoint of the temp interval with the new end and increase the count by 1. One interval inside the new one, update the temp interval with the new interval and change the count to 1. Okay, that's all for today. See you in next episode.